Okay, let's solve this problem. The nth term test can be used to determine divergence for any of the following for which of the following series, and we asked to look at 1, 2, and number 3. First, let's define what actually is the nth test. Basically, if case 1, let's say the limit as k approaches infinity of a to k, that means actually the series, no, actually part of that series. So that what the element of that series is not equal to 0, then the series diverges. Case number 2. Let's say that the limit as k approaches infinity is 0. That's a necessity but not sufficient for convergence. So we just have to remember that and we can solve this problem. Okay, so let's look at the first one. We do some manipulation with the variables of so k plus 1 over k. We can simplify that to 1 plus 1 over k, and this leaves us of ln 1, and that is 0. So that leaves us to case 2. So we know that it's not diverging, but we know that it's necessary for convergence, but we don't know for sure, so we can't use that. So 1 is definitely not true. Let's look at the second one. Now let's find the limit as k approaches infinity here, and we see some parts cancel, and we know that it's definitely not equal to 0. So case 1. So this thing diverges. Okay, we got this. So number 2 is true. We can use that to nth test to determine divergence. Now let's look at the third one. So we got k squared, k cubed here, and we do some simplification. So 3 over 5, k minus 1 over 5. And we know that this limit is negative 1 over 5, so it's not equal to 0. So case 1. So we can also say that we can also use the nth test to determine that number 3 is also diverging. So 2 and 3 and not 1. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.